Hello guys, good evening guys. How you all doing today? Hope you are doing fine. Guys, if this is your first time on seeing my YouTube channel, Adama's Mom TV, please subscribe to Adama's Mom TV and God bless you. And those of you who have subscribed, my God will continue to bless you. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about those girls that they deceive into marriage when they are not ready for it. Guys, please, our single ladies, as in our young girls that like you want to get married, but you are not fully ready for it. If you know that you are not ready for a marriage, please don't go in, because marriage is not an easy task. Marriage is not where you go and play your game and come out from. Marriage is an everlasting bond. Please, if you are not ready, don't. And don't allow anyone to deceive you, even your parents, your sister, your brother, whoever, to deceive you to get married to a man that you don't know, that you have not even had anything with, any courtship. The man just saw you and like you and come and you get married to the man because they say the man has money, or because they say the man is living abroad, or because they say the man is this, the man is he wants to build a house for them or anything. Yes, those kind of marriage has favored so many people, but not all. Not all. Those kind of marriage used to happen, but not all. Because some of them would just say, a man would just come and say, I like this, your daughter, I want to get married. And the next thing, the parents will keep on patronizing you, persuading you, you must get married to this man. And when you get married to this man, when the problem comes, they will still be the one to call you names. They will still be the one to abandon you. Don't allow anyone to deceive you into a marriage. You know that you don't want to go. You don't feel like this is the man I want. Don't allow them to deceive you, because if you enter that marriage, you will come out from that marriage the same way you enter. Don't get married to a man because your parents are patronizing you. Don't get married to a man because the man wants to build a house for you. Don't get married to a man because the man wants to send your brothers to school. Because you'll be the one to be in that marriage and be suffering. While the ones you get married to the man because of will be enjoying. And when the problem comes, they will call you name and abandon you. Please, our ladies, let's not do that. Let's not do that, our single ladies. Let's not do it. Don't go and get married to a man that you know this place is not, you know, you are not seeing future there. You can't get married to him because you think you are of age. Don't do that. Marriage is not a game, oh. Marriage is not an easy game, oh. If they call it a game, I don't know, but it's not an easy one, oh. It's not an easy one. Marriage is something that you will make up your mind. You have decided and say, yes, I'm ready for this thing. You have to be ready before you go into any marriage. You have to make up your mind. You don't have to look outside. You don't have to look back anymore. When you are there, you are there. That's why you see most of us have so many broken marriage today, because they are not ready for it. I know not everyone. There are some people that still had courtship, they still date themselves, and their marriage is still broken. Talk less about you that did not even date the man. Because this thing happened to one of my auntie. This man saw her and he liked her. And this my auntie, she don't have anything to do with guys, so she's a very decent lady. This man saw her and liked her and went to meet the parents. Just because she's not the guys type. She's not the one that used to like guys. She just decided, let me just accept this man because he has money. Is where to do it. And she accepted the man. They did marriage, a very big marriage. Oh. And this man took this girl to Lagos. Could you believe for all the time the girl spent in Lagos, this man refused for the mother to come and see the girl? Even when the girl will call the mother on the phone, the man must be there. This man maltreated this girl to the extent this girl does not even know where market is in Lagos. This girl, the man is the one going to do the shopping, send his driver to go and do the shopping and come back. Even to let this girl to, oh, driver go and drop her and come back, this man will not allow her. Even she's pregnant, the mother did not know. When the mother will call the man, he will say, your daughter is doing fine, don't come. One day, this girl suffer this thing, go into depression and everything, to the extent this girl wanted to have a brain. This my auntie brain, as in she wanted to develop, as in she's going mad, she's going crazy. She has to run away. One day she came out from the gates. She has to send the gate man out. She came out from the gate and she just ran, keep on running. She didn't even carry anything. It's only the clothes she's wearing and her slippers. She ran and asked somebody, where can she get a bus that's going to Agbo? That's how she came to Agbo with pregnancy. And when she came, if you see her, she's so lean. She demarcate, like she reduced to an extent that when the mother see her, the mother started crying. My auntie started crying because it's her daughter. She started crying. She cried and called my father, called many of the family people. Then when she wants to give birth, she wants to give birth few months, just few months before she came. And she gave birth. What happened? She gave birth to triplets, 3 boys. But the 3 boys did not make it. They all just see their end in the mother's tummy. They didn't even see the light, the daylight. These children, they have been gone inside this my auntie for long before she came. But she didn't know. Thank God she came. Maybe she would have ended up alive in Lagos. Maybe she would have been gone by now. Thank God she ran. And to God be the glory. They removed this truth. She was able to give birth to the children that is gone. She lost 3 boys, triplets. Waste her time, her years, her energy and everything. Her babies. She lost everything. Thank God she had other 2 before this 3rd children. Then she came back from the hospital and started living her life. Even the man did not even bother to ask of her. Did not even bother to come. The man said for her running away, he's done. Why? Because he doesn't love her. He know he married her because she accepted her because he has money. Because it's where to do with. That is why the man thinks she accepted him. Because he has money. Because I wish they dated, the man would have known that she did not marry him because of his money. But that is what the man thought. And keep on maltreating this, my auntie. To an extent, she lost her 3 babies. So please, my brothers and my sisters, if you know you are not ready, don't go. Even though your parents are persuading you, even though the suffer in your family is something else, don't go. Don't go. God will make a way for you guys. Your own man will come. Don't go and jump into a marriage because of family problem. Because after the family problem is gone, your own problem will start. Your own problem will start. Don't let anybody deceive you. Don't let anybody persuade you. Don't. Always take your own decision, because you'll be the one that will live with that man for the rest of your life, not your parents, not your brother, not your sister that they want to train in school. Tomorrow, when you leave that marriage, your brother and sister that went to school will still be the one to call you names. Will still be the one to disrespect you in the house. Please, my sisters, let us not jump into a marriage that you know you are not ready. You have to be ready. You have to be ready, and you have to get married to the man you know that you love, and a man that you know you can confide in, and a man that you know you suffer together. Not the one that you feel already made. And sometimes you can meet already made man, but you both of you have to date and know each other. Not just run into the marriage because your parents are suffering. They really need money, because you'll be the one to suffer it. That is all I have for us today. Please, our ladies, let's be wise. Let us not use our family problem and go and put ourselves in a marriage that will cost our life or bring a big shame and a bad name to us. Please, that is all I have for you guys today. Please, guys, if this is your first time of seeing my YouTube channel, Adamas Mom TV, please subscribe to Adamas Mom TV. And God bless you. And those of you who have subscribed, my God will continue to bless you. Thank you, guys. Thank you all. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.